What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A very quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So here on Oana, price just broken above the trend channel I've been mentioning from a couple of days. Now I've mentioned that looking at the cross, we are still bullish for natural gas. Now right here, it did break above and we do have this pattern which I don't normally consider in case you're wondering, but that's still pushed up. Now at this point, since we are broken above this consolidation, this triangle pattern, now if we see a strong pullback, I won't be surprised, but that will be another opportunity to buy this market. So very simple, look for a pullback and we're going to keep on taking buy trades till the price get to the next level of resistance right here, which I've already mentioned in my previous video. Feel free to check that out. That was mentioned in my weekends video. So keep an eye at a pullback and don't be alarmed if there is a pullback. We might see some sort of correction. Looking at the overbought in the RSI, this pullback could be strong enough, can land right at 50 EMA. That is why if that happens, that is a very good opportunity and strongest signal if we have a strong pullback. So keep an eye on the pullback. With the pullback and engulfing confirmation, we are good to go for the long trades coming here on NEMEX. We are still trading inside that pattern, but we have a good momentum above 50 EMA. Now right here on this platform, that is a valid pullback entry bullish. Looking at the gaps, I don't normally take the entries with the gaps. So for now, expect a pullback, could be till 50 EMA engulfer, and we're going to keep on taking longs. And make sure you are taking your trades with 1 ATR initial targets, and you can manage your trades to 2 ATR for your targets. And we still have a chance the price will reject from this trend line, pullback, and then continuation towards the upside. So keep an eye. I'm not bullish for natural gas, but we are looking for conditions like engulfers above 50 EMA. Pullback is likely, looking at the overbought situation here in the RSI, and I won't be alarmed if there is a strong and deep pullback. Be prepared for that if there is a pullback. On capital.com, we are right at the trend line, and that is where we were expecting a nice pullback. So it is aligning with the analysis we did. So if we have a pullback, strong pullback above 50 EMA engulfer, simply we are gonna go long. That is all I'm looking at, only buying this market. But with this condition specifically I've just mentioned, that is all I'm looking at, nothing else. And same goes with MCX. Now here on gold, what do we have? Gold is now in a process of pullback, and this pullback might be completed right here. At this point, we are right at 50 EMA. So we might get a possible double top pattern exactly right here. If the price forms a double top here, rejects from here, we are gonna go short. And let's say there is no double top and price dramatically fall here, since the silver is in the level of major resistance, and that is why we might see a drop in gold. But for silver, we must see bearish engulfers or double top. If that happens in silver, it will likely to push the gold down as well. So that is why very important to look both for condition. If silver forms bearish condition, gold will follow through silver, which is likely. So keep an eye on silver. Right here, it is a level in blue, which is a very strong level, major level, from where we might see a condition to sell this market. But make sure you are looking for 1 ATR initially, or if you are going more than 1 ATR, manage your trades to 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio and exit your trade. I would go 1.2 to 1 initially and then manage my trades. So keep an eye on this zone here on silver. If there is condition, if there is no condition and price just pull back to 50 EMA and forms another bullish engulfer since the price break above new highs, and I'm now actively looking for my buy trades as well, which is my pullback entry bullish without any sell condition here, pullback engulfer, and I'm gonna go long. So only trending trade till the price give you a signal to sell this market. Keep an eye on gold as well. We are not buying gold at this moment, but we are looking for either double top, or if you are broken below 50 EMA, we are just selling this market. And gold might form head and shoulder pattern here as well. So keep an eye. That is something for the long term, but these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my next entries. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil is still inside this major structure right here. These numbers in blue, and this is the level that was tested multiple times previously. That is why we must see a break above these highs. Once that happens, we are only gonna go long for this market. For now, we are bullish overall. If you ask me, we are only bullish for crude oil at this point. That was a fundament candle, and that is why we might see some recovery. Crude oil might push up, and if that happens, I'm only looking for my buy trades. So keep an eye here. For now, if we have a nice fall to 50 EMA, I will look for my bullish engulfer, or if you have a nice fall to the zone below that was recently broken right here, these numbers in blue, 63.87 goes up to 65.82, I'll be simply look for my buy trades, which is my trend continuation aggressive entry from this zone. So buy will happen only if the pullback happens to 50 EMA or to the zone, or if the price breaks above this high. only then we are looking at the next level, which is right. It break above this high is very important to see a trend continuation out of crude oil. For now, my bias is bullish for crude oil, and these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my entries. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button from me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.